Today, we're diving into the price action of Microsoft MSFT. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to sharpen your technical eye, this breakdown will help you understand what's happening and what could happen next. Looking at the daily candlestick chart, we can see that Microsoft has been in a clear downtrend over the past 2 months. The moving averages, especially the 50-day and 100-day, are all sloping downward, showing that momentum is still bearish. Now, let's talk support and resistance. The price has bounced around $365, but it's struggling to break above that level. A key support zone is near $345, which was tested earlier this month. If we fall below that, it could trigger further selling pressure. Notice the Stochastic RSI at the bottom. It's turning downward after a recent crossover at overbought levels. That usually signals weakness ahead, meaning we could see more red candles in the short term. If Microsoft can't close above the $375 zone soon, we might revisit the $350 to $340 range. But don't panic, this could also set up a great long-term buy opportunity if the fundamentals remain strong and market sentiment shifts. So, what do you think? Is Microsoft gearing up for a comeback or heading deeper into correction? Let me know in the comments below. And if you learned something today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clear, no jargon stock breakdowns like this one. Catch you in the next chart.